Hey guys, it is Julie here with JT.Wealth. In today's video, we are talking all exciting things Tesla, including their latest price target of $1,000. So let's get into it. Alright guys, welcome back and thank you so much for being here. Like I said, today we are talking about Tesla, who recently got some exciting news with their latest price target update. So we're going to take a look at how this is affecting Tesla's stock and how that is affecting Elon Musk's personal wealth. Now, my setup today is a little bit different than normal, and that is simply because I am on vacation. But like I said, that is not going to stop us from chatting about stocks. Now, a lot of you were concerned in my last video that I was drinking wine from a can, as that's all that the hotel lobby had. But good news, guys, the hotel bar is now open, so I've upgraded to a lovely margarita. Now, just before we get into Tesla, this is just your friendly reminder that if you enjoyed today's video, make sure you give us a big thumbs up and leave your thoughts in the comments down below. Also, if you like free stocks, make sure to check out some of the links down below in the description. Right now, Webull is giving away 4 free stocks just for opening up and funding your new account, so make sure to check them out. All right, now let's get into Tesla, who closed today at $555.38 per share, for a rise on the day of 6.43%. Now, at $555 per share, we are looking at a 36% increase from November 16th, when it was announced that Tesla was finally joining the S&P 500. Now, the 6% jump in price that we saw today can largely be attributed to a Wedbush analyst raising their bull case target to $1,000 for Tesla. And that came from Daniel Ives, who raised his average stock price target to $560 from $500, while reiterating his neutral rating he's had on Tesla since April of 2019. But Ives raised his bull case price target by 25%, up to $1,000 from $800. With a sustained path to profitability and S&P 500 index inclusion achieved, the Tesla bull story is now all about a stepped-up EV demand trajectory into 2021. And he said he is now seeing a major inflection of EV demand globally, with expectations that EV vehicles ramp from the current 3% of total auto sales to 10% by 2025. We believe this demand dynamic will disproportionately benefit the clear EV category leader Tesla over the next few years, especially in the key China region, which we believe could represent about 40% of its EV deliveries by 2022, given the current brisk pace of sales with 150,000 plus deliveries in its first year out of the gates with a Giga 3. Now, with all of this recent positive news, Tesla is set to breach $500 billion in market value. Tesla has become by far the world's most valuable automaker, despite having a production that is a fraction of the traditional automakers such as Toyota or General Motors. And this is showing that the car industry is a growth business. Now, Tesla's takeover of the global auto business has been gradual, but then sudden, like the description of bankruptcy in Ernest Hemingway's The Sun Also Rises. Now, the question for Tesla investors always remains the same, and that is, what's next and how high can this Tesla stock go? Now, the current rally was catalyzed by Tesla's inclusion into the S&P 500, scheduled for December 21st. And it's possible shares might dip after the stock goes in the index. There is historical precedent for that. Stocks going into the index can drop temporarily after index funds are done buying. But the buying now is mainly from traders and other funds expecting gains in the stock once index funds do start to acquire shares. So that is the S&P squeeze that Barron's, as well as former Wall Street analyst and current Tesla investor Gary Black, have been discussing. Now, Black isn't a Wall Street analyst, but his price target for Tesla stock is $720. That's much higher than Wall Street targets, but Black said Tesla was heading for a split-adjusted $250 a share in January, when the stock was about $100. The highest target on Wall Street is currently $578 a share, and that's from New Street Research analyst Pierre Ferragu. With shares taking out old highs daily, the $720 and $578 price targets are two numbers that investors to look at when asking themselves where the stock might go. Now, the next data points to watch will be fourth quarter deliveries and earnings, as well as the company's forecast for deliveries in 2021. And all of that information should be out in January. Now, all of this recent good news surrounding Tesla has actually made Elon Musk the second richest person in the world, overtaking the Microsoft billionaire Bill Gates. So Musk saw his net worth rise by $7.2 billion to $128 billion on Monday. The only person ahead of Musk now is Amazon boss Jeff Bezos, who took the top spot from Gates in 2017 and has stayed there ever since. So some pretty happy days for Elon Musk. Now, at the end of filming this, Tesla is already up to $563 in the after-hour market. So it'll be exciting to see if it can continue this momentum tomorrow. Now, just as a generic reminder here, guys, the stock market is closed on this Thursday for Thanksgiving and closes early on Black Friday at 1 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So I hope you all have a fantastic week and enjoy your Thanksgiving with your families in a safe and appropriate way. Now, don't forget to leave your thoughts down below in the comments on Tesla, what you think about the company, and if they could hit that $1,000 price target. I always love hearing from you guys, so please make sure to leave your thoughts. If you made it all the way to the end of the video here, make sure you give us a big thumbs up and that you're subscribed to the channel as well. Tomorrow we will be back with some more videos. For now, I am gonna go enjoy a couple more margaritas. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you have a fantastic day, and cheers.